Have you ever dreamed of manifesting a new reality? Moving from a life of lack and limitation to one of abundance and endless possibility? Then you need to understand the art of shifting into a desired state. In this video, we will explore how to shift into your desired state and reality. We will explore states of consciousness with operant power, manifesting reality with Neville Goddard's teachings, strategies for shifting perception through revision of the past, and self-awareness for achieving manifestation goals. All this is to help you achieve the life of your dreams. Welcome back, friends. If you're new to our channel, I encourage you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel right away. Doing so will act as a catalyst for your journey with us. By subscribing, you'll be joining a supportive community that is dedicated to personal growth and manifestation. Okay. Let's get started. First of all, it is important to remember that all states are currently within you, at your disposal. This means that any desire can be revealed without having to create it from scratch. Desires do not imply lack, but rather they indicate something that already exists, but has yet to be discovered by embracing a new state or identity related to the desired item, goal, or outcome. You have the power as an operator to choose any desired state that lies within your own self-discovery capabilities. No external requirements are needed. Furthermore, you are never bound to one single outcome. Feel free to explore different possibilities until you find a satisfactory end result. Friends, exploring states of consciousness with operant power can be a powerful tool for manifesting new realities. We often think of states as fixed, but in actuality, they are fluid and ever-changing. With operant power, you have the ability to shift into whatever state you desire without being tied to any particular one. In this way, states can be thought of like cities or rooms that you can move between to explore multiple places without needing to stay in one forever. At the core of all this exploration is understanding who you really are. Awareness and imagination in motion. Whatever state you shift into will reflect back onto you what it holds and believes true about yourself and the world around you. When exercising your operant power, don't forget that what matters most is trusting yourself enough to make the move into a different state. Allow yourself permission to do so, even if it feels uncomfortable or unfamiliar at first. As a part of these steps, ask yourself questions about who you will become and what changes could take place if you achieve this goal. This will help set intentions for yourself, as well as create motivation to take action towards achieving your goals. Visualization is also an important step in manifesting reality, as it allows for experiences outside of physical senses to be experienced within your mindscape. Visualizing your desired outcome can be achieved through meditation or simply taking time out each day to close your eyes and imagine yourself living in the reality that is already yours. Revision is another important technique advocated by Neville, which revolves around reimagining past events or memories to facilitate internal realignment and make progress towards achieving desired goals more quickly and effectively than before. This technique involves revisiting moments where we felt joy, pain, or any other emotion we wish to manifest more often. By doing so, we can allow our mindsets to shift into one more suitable for positive growth in the future. That's okay, but are there any strategies available for shifting perception through revision of the past? Yes, my friends, let me explain it. Shifting perception through revising the past is a powerful way to move into a desired state in the present. To bring about this shift, one must feel into their current circumstances and choose to no longer identify with them. Neville Goddard, a law of attraction expert and teacher, advocated for this method of transformation, believing that by visualizing and assuming the future as though it already existed, one could manifest it in reality. Revisioning can be an effective strategy for claiming new realities. To do this effectively, remember when something different was true such as the absence of physical or financial difficulties, and imagine how those conditions would feel if they were present again. This can help you find motivation towards achieving your goals. Another technique that can be used is to assume a desired identity as though it already exists within you. Focus on embodying the feelings associated with it until they become second nature. The law of assumption states that what we assume to be true will become our reality. So by intentionally claiming new identities or realities, we are able to make them manifest in our lives more easily and quickly. Finally, consider how you would feel if certain goals were fulfilled. Let those feelings guide you towards taking action to achieve them. Empower yourself by using visualization techniques coupled with meditation and dare intention, setting practices to increase your chances of success with manifestation efforts. With sincere effort and dedication towards revising your past experiences, you will have access to creating the future life that you desire. It is important to acknowledge that doubts and fears may arise while you are shifting states. It is natural, but don't let them take over your decision-making process. Instead, consciously face these doubts and understand that they are part of the journey towards achieving success. Habitual states shape our habits, actions, and manifestations. Being mindful of these states will help in returning to a preferred state if necessary, after momentarily straying from it. Shifting between different states requires gentleness, not judgment or force. Allowing yourself a moment of rest before making a decision can also be beneficial. Remember that no matter how distant achieving your desired state may feel, it exists within you and can be activated whenever you choose to return there. Managing these shifts requires intent and clarity in identifying the states you want as constants in your life. Consistent practice and awareness will help ingrain them over time. Give yourself grace when straying from your desired state, as it is a part of the learning process. Employ methods such as visualization or journaling intentionally to assist in transitioning back quickly. When considering ways to manifest what you want in life, shift your focus away from how or when it will happen and instead concentrate on the end goal. For example, if financial abundance is your goal, don't just focus on winning the lottery or having an uncle who left you his fortune. Focus on being debt-free. This way of thinking will help keep you in a positive state of mind as opposed to worrying about how long it may take for your dreams to come true. Another important aspect of manifesting is not trying to solve existing problems step by step. Instead, try occupying the state of already having achieved what you wish for. By doing so, new actions may then naturally result from that state. To do this effectively, imagine a scene as if your dream was already real. Ask yourself how it would feel. What would you see, hear, touch, taste, and smell? As Neville said, the end is where we begin. We should always aim to go straight to the end rather than working through a series of steps and processes before achieving our desired results. As we reach the end of this amazing video, remember that your end goal should always be kept in focus. Don't worry about the how or when it will happen, but instead have faith that it will manifest in your life. Trust in the process and allow the universe to work its magic. If you found this video valuable and resonated with the insights shared, I kindly ask you to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with future content that will continue to inspire and empower you on your manifestation journey. We also invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Your unique perspective and insights contribute to a vibrant community dedicated to personal growth and manifestation. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep taking inspired action.